She'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? Are you in the mood for a cake? Because I am. I'm going to make a cake out of clay. The most colorful cake in the world. I will try and do that. What colors do we have in here? We have 2 shades of yellow. We have... What color is this, Gigi? This looks like gray or blue.
Wow!
Or a color between gray and blue. What color is this? I will say this is gray. Even though it looks like blue, like a very light blue, but I will say it's gray. I have 2 shades of blue. Did I say purple? And orange. Another shade of orange. Pink. I already had some pink, but this is a lighter pink.
Wow!
Purple.
Wow!
A colorful one. Look at that. Wow. Wow. It's going to be fun today. Wow. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. We have black too. And a bit of red. And that's it. Let's start making the cake. It will be a 3-layer cake. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start with the first layer. I will use this color. I will use this color for the first layer. I will make a big ball. I said a 3-layer cake, but I was thinking let's make it bigger. Let's try and make a 5-layer cake. Wow! 5-layer cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first layer. The cream one. How should I make it, Gigi? Should I make it like a circle or like a square? It will be a square or a circle. I don't know. Let's see. I will see along the way, but I think it will be a round cake. So I need circles. This is the first layer. Be thinner than the other ones. I will use pink. I will make a 2. Just like that. With the first layer, it's round, and the second one more like a square. This is a unique cake because it has many shapes. It has circles, it will have squares. Look, this is a square. So it's very unique and very colorful, you will see. Okay, we have 2 layers. Now I will add the third one. This is more like a cylinder, a yellow cylinder. And now the 4th layer, another square. Now it's a circle, but I will make it a square. Just like that. One, two, three, four. 4 layers. And let's add another one. What color? I will use gray. And it will be a circle, like a ball. Like that. I will make some icing.
Wow!
Yay!
Look at that. Wow. I will use this colorful icing.
Wow!
Now I'm
Wow!
dressing the cake. You will see at the end I will make it look nice. I'm using icing now. Wow. Look at that. And after that, I will use the tools, so I will make it look nice. I will use a bit of gray too, just like that. Now I'm going to use the tools, so I will make it look nice. And after we finish, we will cut the cake. What do you think, Gigi, about my cake? Isn't this the coolest and the weirdest cake you've ever seen? Oh, it looks amazing! I will put some sprinkles on it too, but I need little tiny sprinkles. Just like that. Wow! Tiny sprinkles. Look, Gigi! My cake is ready. Actually, it's our cake. Should I cut it in half? Let's do that. A piece of cake for me and a piece of cake for you. Wow, exciting. I will choose this plastic knife. Oh, I didn't use any purple. Let's just put one little bowl in here, just like that. So I will have a bit of purple. Oh, what an amazing cake! Wow! Look how colorful! Oh, wow! One for you, Gigi, and one for me. Look what happened to my cake! Look at that! This is so much fun. I'm having fun with the cake. Look, Gigi. What happened to my cake? Oh, wow. Look at these colors. I bet you can't do this with your Gigi, can you? Let's try. Look at that. Look, Gigi. Where's the cake now? We can make another one with this one, maybe. Look at this. Look at this cake. I just smashed the cake. It was so much fun. I hope you liked it. And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.